Today I am going to give some information on vegetation in India. So first let's talk about tropical evergreen forests. An evergreen forest is a forest made up of evergreen trees. They occur across a wide range of climatic zones and include trees such as coniferous and holly in cold climates, eucalyptus, live oak, acacias and banksia in more temperate zones, and rainforest trees in tropical zones. Temperate evergreen forests, coniferous, broadleaf and mixed, are found largely in the temperate mid-latitudes of North America, Siberia, Canada, Australia, Africa, Scandinavia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Amazon and Orinoco basins of South America, Himalayas and Western Ghats of India and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Here are some of the pictures of the trees found in tropical evergreen forests: shisham, ebony, rosewood, red cedar, mahogany and bamboo. Now let's talk about tropical deciduous forests. They are called monsoon forests. Rainfall is in the range of 70 to 200 centimeters in deciduous forests. A long dry season followed by heavy rainfall season is a feature of the regions where these forests are found. The humidity in these forests lie in the range of 80 to 90%. 30 degrees Celsius is the average temperature of tropical deciduous forest. Seasonality is the prime feature of these forests, as trees shed their leaves in the dry season and grow back the leaves in rainy seasons. Note: in the northern hemisphere, these forests shed their leaves in winter. These forests are comparatively less dense than evergreen forests. Here are some of the pictures of trees found in tropical deciduous forests, namely teak, sal, mahua, sandalwood, jackfruit and banyan. Now let's talk about thorn and desert forest. The tropical thorn and scrubs are the kind of forests or areas that experience an average rainfall of less than 70 cm, which is too less or scanty. They are usually seen in the semi-arid regions of India like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and the dry areas of the Deccan Plateau. Here are some of the pictures of the trees found in thorn and desert forests, namely date palms, cacti, acacia, babool, palas and kikar. Finally, we have mountain or alpine forest. Mountain or alpine forests are mainly found in Himalayas in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Arunachal Pradesh. Different types of vegetation occur at different altitudes. The lower foothills have deciduous forests and the middle slopes have mixed deciduous conifers. At higher elevations, the climate is harsher with lower temperatures and higher winds, preventing the growth of trees and causing the plant community in transition to montane grasslands, shrublands or alpine tundra. Here are some of the pictures of the trees found in mountain or alpine forests, namely oak, chirpine, ash, silver fir, beech and chestnut. Next we have the tidal or mangrove forests. The tidal or mangrove forests grow by the side of the coast and on the edges of the deltas. The fertile deltas of the Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Godavari and Ganga comprises of mangrove forest. In the state of West Bengal, these forests are known as the Sundarbans, the name after the largest delta. The Sundari is the most abundant tree in these forests. The vital trees of the tidal forest are Hogla, Garan, Pasur, etc. This forest is a significant factor in the timber industry as they provide timber and firewood. Palm and coconut trees beautify the coastal strip with its greenery. Here are some of the pictures of the trees found in tidal forest: Sundari tree, Gorgon, Casuarina, Hogla, Golpatta and reeds. Thank you for watching.